My dog Lucas, he's so cute. Look at him, he's just sitting there helping my dad swing on the hammock. He's a good boy, very sweet. Dad, your belly's showing.
Whatever, good boy, Lucas. Good boy.
Look, Dad, he's pushing you.
Lucas. Alright, that's good enough.